Welcome back to the channel, my friends. On today's video, we're looking at the air intake on this Mini Cooper. This is a 2017 Countryman. So I was replacing this air intake, which connects to the filter box here. So you can see in between where the car actually breathes from is down here. There's two inlets, one here and one here. So it draws the air from the front here. So this is an aftermarket one, but as I was exchanging it, here's what I realized. Man, this was the air intake on the 1.5 liter, the 3-cylinder turbo. Now this intake that leads to the air box or the filter box, mine's broken, so I have an aftermarket one here. By the looks of it, it's fairly identical. Obviously, mine's broken here. But this is the OEM one. You can see where it pulls the air in through here. And there should be another one here. But I can see that's actually blocked off, so that's not even functional on this. And the aftermarket one looks like they're both functional. If you look through where the air will be pulled in from, you can see the light coming in from this one and the other snorkel looking thing. And you can see that's the OEM. This is the aftermarket. So there's a little less baffles in there. So it's opened up a little bit more. Technically, it should flow a little bit more better air than how this is designed. You can clearly see how this port is actually blocked off. So that's just there for the looks. And on the aftermarket, they're both open. So one of these on the OEM, it's a fake. It obviously isn't cut through to breathe from there. It's just breathing from here. So this possibly is just a baffle, maybe to help with the noise or something, or just to make it look good. But it's not functional. The only functional one is on this side. So here I have it fitted onto the vehicle. Seems to fit perfect, line up exactly where it should. And it should obviously breathe a little bit better than the OEM. I thank you for watching.